Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. Can I send money from Acorns to Cash App? I'm going to answer this question in a few different ways. First, I'll talk about the technical aspects of sending money from Acorns to Cash App. Then, I'll talk about the pros and cons of doing so. Finally, I'll offer some alternative methods for transferring money between these two platforms. So, let's get started. Technical aspects. Can you send money from Acorns to Cash App? Technically, you can't send money directly from Acorns to Cash App. However, there are a few ways to get your money from Acorns and into your Cash App account. One way is to withdraw money from your Acorns account and then deposit it into your Cash App account. This is a simple process that can be done in a few minutes. Another way is to transfer money from your Acorns account to your bank account, and then transfer the money from your bank account to your Cash App account. This is a bit more complicated, but it's still possible. Finally, you can use a third-party service to transfer money from your Acorns account to your Cash App account. There are a number of these services available, and they all work in a similar way. Pros and cons. So, what are the pros and cons of sending money from Acorns to Cash App? One pro is that it's a relatively simple process. Once you know how to do it, it's easy to transfer money between the two accounts. Another pro is that it's usually free to transfer money from Acorns to Cash App. One con is that it can take a few days for the money to transfer from your Acorns account to your Cash App account. Another con is that you may be charged a fee by your bank or by the third-party service you use to transfer the money. Alternatives. If you're looking for a way to transfer money from Acorns to Cash App without having to go through the hassle of withdrawing and depositing money, there are a few alternatives available. One alternative is to use a service like TransferWise. TransferWise is a money transfer service that allows you to send money to over 70 countries around the world. It's also a very affordable option, and you can usually get your money transferred within a few hours. Another alternative is to use a service like PayPal. PayPal is a popular online payment service that allows you to send and receive money from people all over the world. You can also use PayPal to transfer money between your Acorns and Cash App accounts. So, there you have it. I've answered the question, can I send money from Acorns to Cash App, in a few different ways. I've also discussed the pros and cons of doing so, and I've offered a few alternatives. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.